Welcome, DIY enthusiasts, to another exciting episode. Today, we are diving into the world of organization and functionality with some brilliant wooden tool storage ideas that will not only keep your workspace tidy, but also add a touch of craftsmanship to your garage or workshop. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started with these creative and practical solutions. First up on our list is the classic pegboard system. While it may seem like a straightforward choice, pegboards provide a versatile and customizable solution for tool storage. By attaching wooden pegboards to your workshop walls, you can easily hang and rearrange your tools, keeping everything within arm's reach. To add a personal touch, consider painting or staining the wooden pegboards to match your workshop's aesthetic. Now let's talk about a space-saving marvel, the wall-mounted tool cabinet. Crafted from sturdy wood, these cabinets are designed to store various tools in an organized manner. With labeled compartments and drawers, you can quickly locate the tool you need without rummaging through clutter. Plus, the wall-mounted design maximizes floor space, making it an excellent choice for smaller workshops. If you're a fan of mobility, our next suggestion is the rolling tool cart. Constructed with wooden frames and equipped with sturdy casters, these carts allow you to transport your tools effortlessly around the workshop. Add drawers, shelves, and even a dedicated space for power tools, creating a compact and mobile storage solution that is both functional and stylish. Now, let's explore the charm of tool rack made from reclaimed wood. Salvage planks, with their unique textures and grains, can be repurposed into a rustic tool rack that not only serves its practical purpose, but also add a touch of character to your workspace. Arrange the wooden planks horizontally or vertically, securing them to the wall, and voila, you've got one-of-a-kind storage solution. For those with a penchant for creativity, consider crafting a custom tool shadow board. This involves outlining your tools on a wooden board, creating a designated spot for each item. Not only does this method keep everything organized, but it also provides a visual cue if a tool is missing. Customize the board to fit your tools perfectly, and you will have a functional and aesthetically pleasing storage solution. Up next, we have the suspended tool rack, a unique and eye-catching storage solution. By hanging your tools from the ceiling using sturdy wooden beams or hooks, you can free up valuable floor and wall space. This method works especially well for larger tools like saws and drills. It not only keeps your tools accessible, but also gives your workshop a distinctive look. As we wrap today's journey into the wooden tool storage ideas, remember that the key is to combine functionality with aesthetics. Whether it's the simplicity of a pegboard, the mobility of a rolling tool cart, or the rustic charm of reclaimed wood, there is a storage solution for every taste and workshop size. Get creative, embrace the beauty of wood, and transform your workshop into a well-organized haven for your tools. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these wooden tool storage ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more inspiring content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy woodworking!